Similarly, our part number 3 is a gold bar of mass 0.2 kilogram. The density of gold is 19,300 kilogram per cubic meter. So our given data is mass, that is 0.2 kilogram, and density, that is 9,300 kilogram per cubic meter. We have to find the volume. So volume is unknown. Formula of the volume is mass over density. So after calculations, our answer become 0.2 kg divided by 1903,000 kilogram per cubic, 19,300 kilometer. Our answer becomes 1.04 into 10 raised to power minus 5 meter cube. Our numerical number 7.4. The density of air is 1.3 kilogram per cubic meter. Find the mass of air in room measuring. This is the dimensions of volume. So the given data is density, that is 1.3 kilogram per cubic meter, and the volume is equal to 8 meter multiply 5 meter and multiply 4 meter. So our volume after multiplication, our volume become 160 meter cube. We have to find the mass. The formula of the mass is density multiply volume. So in calculations, we have to put the values. Our density is 160 meter cube, and this is our volume. Density is 1.3 kilogram per cubic meter. After calculation, our answer becomes 208 kilogram. So next, our numerical number 7.5. A student presses her palm by her thumb with a force of 75 न्यूटन. A student press कर रहा है अपनी palm को 75 न्यूटन force से. A student press her palm by her thumb with a force of 75 Newton. What will be the pressure under the thumb having contact area 1.5 centimeter square? So given data is force, that is 75 Newton, and area, that is 1.5 centimeter square. This is not in SI unit. We have to convert it into SI unit. So 1.5 divided by 10,000 becomes meter square. It becomes 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square. To find, we have to find the pressure. The formula of the pressure is force over area. After putting values, force is 75 Newton and area is 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 5 meter square. Our answer becomes 5 into 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter square. Next, student, numerical number 7.6. The head of a pin of a square is 10 cm side. Find the pressure due to force of 20 Newton. So given data is side, that is 10 mm, 10 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter, and force, that is 20 Newton. After using side, we can find the area. 10 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter multiply 10 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. So our area become 1 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square. We have to find the pressure. The formula of the pressure is force over area. So for the calculation, we have to put the values. Force is 20 Newton and area is 1 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square. After calculation, our answer become 2 into 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter square. This is our diary, chapter number 5, numerical number 1 to 6. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, 9th class. Today's we are doing chapter number 7, numericals. Our numerical number 1 is a wooden block measuring 40 centimeter multiply 10 centimeter multiply 5 centimeter. This is dimensions of volume. This is has mass 850 gram. Find the density of wood. So students, our given data is volume, that is 40 centimeter multiply 50 multiply 10 centimeter and multiply 5 सेंटीमीटर। जी स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो डायमेंशंस हैं वॉल्यूम की वो ऐसे यूनिट में नहीं है, तो पहले हम इसको कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे ऐसे यूनिट में। तो अगर सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करें तो 0.4 मीटर, 0.1 मीटर, 0.05 मीटर। अब जानते हैं कि सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम इसको 100 से डिवाइड करते हैं। तो यहाँ पे हमारा वॉल्यूम आ जाएगा 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. Next, given data is mass. Our mass is 850 grams, and after conversion into kilograms becomes 0.85 kilogram. To find, students, we have to find the density. Formula of density is equal to mass over volume. So calculations, by putting values, the value of mass is 0.85 kilogram and volume is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube. 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube. After calculation, our answer becomes 425 kilogram per cubic meter. Our next numerical is, what would be the volume of ice formed by freezing of 1 liter of water? We have only given data volume of water. So given data is volume of water, that is equal to 1 liter. We have to find the volume of ice. Next formula, the students, the formula between the volume and the densities is volume of ice over volume of water. The ratio of the volume of ice and water is equal to the reciprocal of the densities, is equal to density of water over density of ice. In calculation, we have to putting the values. Volume of ice is unknown and volume of water is 1 liter. What is the density of water and density of ice? Density of water is 1000 kilogram per cubic meter and density of ice is 920 kilogram per cubic meter. So this 1 liter is divided in this side, it will be multiplying on other side. So volume of ice is equal to 1000 divided by 920 multiplied by 1 liter. So our answer becomes 1.09 liter. This is volume of ice. Students, our numerical number 7.3 is calculate the volume of the following objects. We have to calculate the volume. An iron sphere of mass 5 kg and density is 8200 kilogram per cubic meter. Given data is mass, that is 5 kg, and density, that is 8200 kilogram per cubic meter. We have to find the volume. Volume is unknown. Formula of the volume is mass over density. So in calculation, we have to put the values. Mass is 5 kg and density is 8200 kilogram per cubic meter. After calculation, our answer becomes 6.1 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter cube. This is our volume. In second part, a 200 gram of lead having density 11,300 kilogram per cubic meter. So given data is mass, that is 2000 grams. We have to convert it kilogram, that is becomes 0.2 kilogram, and density, that is 11,300 kilogram per cubic meter. Our formula of the volume is mass over density. After putting values, our volume becomes, students, this is your formula, and we have to find the volume. Volume is unknown, and this is your calculations. Sorry students, here our calculation says volume is equal to mass, that is 0.2 kilogram, and density, that is 11,300 kilogram per cubic meter. After dividing these two terms, our answer becomes 1.77 into 10 raised to power minus 5 meter cube.